We all look forward to a well-earned break from the daily grind, but the week leading up to a vacation can often be overwhelming, and so can the week after. That's why I prepared 3 helpful tips to simplify your teacher life before and after spring break. Whether you're a seasoned educator or just starting out in your career, sit back, relax, and join us as we explore how to make the most of the week leading up to the last break before summer. Stay tuned. What's kicking, educational rock stars? Welcome back to another episode of Teaching Made Easy, where I strive to bring you practical tips, inspiring stories, simple classroom systems that actually work, and expert insights to help you become a more effective and confident K-5 teacher. I'm your host, Farah, the Center Fairy, and in each episode, we'll explore different aspects of teaching, from lesson planning and classroom management to student engagement and professional development. If this is your first time joining me here on the channel, be sure you hit that like and that subscribe button and click that bell so that you get notified when I go live or upload a new video here on the channel. This week, we are chatting all about the week before spring break and the week after. So grab a cup of coffee and turn up the volume and get ready to be inspired and empowered. Let's dive in. The week before spring break can often be a challenging time for educators. With the end of the school year approaching and the anticipation of break, it can be easy to lose focus and feel overwhelmed. However, taking the time to plan out your lessons for the week you come back after break can help alleviate this stress. By having a game plan in place, you can ensure that you are organized and prepared to teach effectively. This means that you won't have to worry about rushing to create lesson plans or scrambling to find materials at the last minute. Instead, you can focus on delivering quality lessons to your students without the added pressure of planning on the fly, and then enjoy your break the way you should. Effective lesson planning also helps you ensure that you cover all the necessary material before break, making it easier to pick up where you left off when classes resume. Taking the time to plan out your lessons for the week after spring break can help you stay organized, reduce stress, and deliver quality lessons to your students. It's a simple but effective strategy that can have a significant impact on your overall teaching experience. If you're looking for simple, no prep activities that you can grab and just print and go, then check out our review and a snap printables for March and April. They are full of simple and fun activities for your students to review key skills when they return, and you have a chance to get your feet back under you after spending your days with your toes in the sand and a drink in your hand. Now, if you're looking for more like hands-on activities and less worksheet style, check out our Math and Literacy Centers for grades K through 5. They are a great review activity for students to complete independently or with a partner during that first week. They can be super helpful when trying to get your students back into routines after break or review those rules and procedures in class. Check the links in the description to grab them for your classroom. Now, in addition to lesson planning, it's also important to manage your to-do list effectively in the week leading up to spring break. With a variety of tasks to complete, it can easily become overwhelming and you can become stressed out. However, by prioritizing the most important tasks and letting go of anything that can wait till after break, you can reduce your burden and maintain your well-being. One effective way to prioritize your to-do list is to create a list of all the tasks that need to be completed before break. Then rank them in order of importance based on deadlines, urgency, or the level of impact they're going to have. This can help you focus on the most critical tasks first, ensuring that they are completed on time and to that high standard that you hold. It's also important to remember that it's okay to let go of non-essential tasks that can wait till after break. This includes things like administrative tasks, non-essential grading, or non-urgent emails. By letting go of these tasks, you can free up more time and energy to focus on the most critical responsibilities. By managing your to-do list effectively, you can reduce your stress and overwhelm, and you are going to have a better, much more relaxed spring break. This is going to help you maintain your productivity and your well-being, ensuring that you can enjoy a restful and refreshing break. Now, you know that this week before break is going to be stressful and you've got lots of tasks to complete and deadlines to meet. However, it's important to remember that taking care of yourself is just as important as completing those responsibilities as a teacher. One way to take care of yourself is to schedule in some personal time to relax and recharge. Just because you're about to go on break doesn't mean you shouldn't rest and relax before break. In fact, you should be doing this all year. This can include spending time with your loved ones, engaging in hobbies or activities that bring you joy, or simply taking some time to relax and unwind. It's the break before the break. Whatever it is that helps you feel relaxed and refreshed, make sure to schedule it in the week before your break and the week after your break so you can prioritize your well-being. Now, taking care of your mental and emotional health is crucial to ensuring a productive and fulfilling work-life balance. By taking the time to care for yourself, you'll have the energy and motivation you need to complete your tasks to the best of your ability. Moreover, it can help prevent burnout and ensure that you can continue to be an effective educator throughout the rest of the school year. Remember, taking care of yourself is not a selfish act, but rather a necessary one. As an educator, you give so much of yourself to your students and your colleagues. It is essential to take time to replenish your own energy and well-being. So don't forget to prioritize personal time in your schedule and enjoy that well-deserved downtime during spring break. Okay, are you ready for your break? By implementing these tips, you can reduce stress and feel more in control of your workload, giving you the energy and motivation you need to finish the school year strong. But don't just take my word for it. I encourage you to try out these tips for yourself, see how they can work for you. Experiment with different ways of lesson planning, prioritizing tasks, and taking that personal time. You might be surprised at how even small changes can make a big difference in your productivity and well-being. Remember, as an educator, your work is important, but so is taking care of yourself. Spring break is the perfect opportunity to recharge and come back refreshed and ready to tackle whatever challenges lie ahead. So make the most of this time. Don't forget to implement these tips to help make the week leading up to spring break and the week after a little less stressful. Oh, and bonus tip, turn your emails off. Now, if you're looking for more tips, strategies, and simple systems to take back into your classroom to make your teacher life easier, check out the videos on your screen. Thanks for watching and keep being an educational rock star.